This podcast is supported by Siemens, your partner for industrial-grade AI.
Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode of our Industrial AI podcast. It's me, Robert. And yes, you thought it was summer break. That's right. But we still have a song for you for your holiday by the sea or on the mountains. Dr. Tristan has the AI composing. So enjoy the song Metropolis Night. His comment on the song: I've generated this with AI during a silent night in Berlin. Let us know what you think. The link to more songs can be found in the show notes. And Tristan also offers classical music. Enjoy the summer. See you, hear you in September. Best, Robert.